Welcome to USA Immigration and Visa, your ultimate destination for navigating the complex world of immigration and visas in the United States. Whether you're a prospective immigrant, a current visa holder, or simply someone curious about the process, our channel is your trusted guide through every step of the journey. From understanding the latest immigration policies to demystifying visa application procedures, we provide comprehensive insights, expert advice, and valuable tips to help you achieve your American dream. Join us as we explore the diverse pathways to entering and staying in the USA, empowering you with the knowledge and resources needed to successfully navigate the intricacies of the immigration system. Subscribe now and embark on your immigration journey with confidence. Attention viewers, the moment you've all been eagerly anticipating has arrived. The U.S. Department of State has just declared an extension to the Interview Waiver program, which was initially set to conclude on December 31, 2023. Following subtle hints in earlier press briefings, today's formal proclamation confirms the continuation of the U.S. Visa Interview Waiver for select qualified non-immigrant visa candidates throughout the entirety of 2024 and possibly further. Stay tuned as we delve into the details of the U.S. Department of State's press release and unpack what this means for applicants in 2024 and the years to follow. Visa applicants to enjoy U.S. visa interview waivers in 2024 and beyond. In a significant development, the U.S. Department of State, in collaboration with the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, has recognized the Interview Waiver Program for specific non-immigrant visa applicants as a matter of national interest. Upholding the existing measures, they have empowered U.S. consular officers with the autonomy to forego face-to-face interviews for qualified non-immigrant visa candidates. Eligible non-immigrant visa categories for in-person interview waiver. Big news for visa applicants. The U.S. has extended interview waivers for 2024 and beyond, not just for first-time H-2 visa applicants in agriculture and non-agriculture, but also for a range of other non-immigrant categories. While the full list hasn't been officially released, it's expected to include H-1B visa for professionals in specialty occupations, F&M visas catering to international students, J visa for academic exchange visitors, H-3 visa for trainees or special education visitors, L-1 visa for those involved in intercompany transfers, O-1 visa for individuals with extraordinary abilities or achievements, P visas for artists, athletes, and entertainers, Q visa for participants in international cultural exchange programs. Plus, this waiver also applies to the qualifying dependents of these visa holders, such as H-4, L-2, O-2, J-2, F-2, and more. Interview waiver for renewal of same visa category, 48-month rule. The U.S. Department of State has confirmed the continuation of the 48-month eligibility period for the U.S. visa dropbox renewal. Applicants seeking to renew their U.S. visa in the same category can avail of this facility until further notice, ensuring its availability for 2024 and onwards. Under the 48-month rule for the interview waiver, applicants renewing their U.S. visa in the identical category can benefit from the Dropbox stamping or interview waiver if they apply within 48 months of their visa's expiration date. This rule is applicable to the majority of visa types, with certain exceptions such as the blanket L-1 visa. Interview waiver when applying for a different visa category. Breaking news for visa seekers. The latest announcement reveals that any non-immigrant visa applicant can now bypass the in-person interview, regardless of the visa type they're applying for, with two key conditions. 1. Applicants must hold a previously issued U.S. visa of any non-immigrant category, except for B visas, B1/B2 visitor, or B1 business visa. 2. The application must be submitted within 48 months following the expiration of their last U.S. visa. For instance, if you're transitioning from an F1 to an O1 visa and it's been less than 48 months since your F1 expired, you're in luck. You qualify for the interview waiver. However, this doesn't apply if your last visa was a B1/B2 and you're now seeking an O1 visa. Till when 48-month interview waiver rule is valid. Exciting update for visa applicants. Starting January 1st, 2024, a new 48-month interview waiver rule comes into effect for those seeking visa stamping in a different category. This rule is set to remain in place throughout 2024 and will be valid indefinitely until further notice, with annual reviews to ensure its relevance. Additionally, the existing 48-month rule for renewing visas within the same category remains effective now, throughout 2024 and beyond, until any new updates are announced. Requirements for interview waiver. To qualify for the interview waiver for a U.S. visa, applicants must satisfy the following criteria. Residence or nationality. Applicants should apply within the nation of their current residence or their home country. For instance, if you're residing in the U.S., your application must be submitted in your country of origin. Conversely, if you're living in a third country, you have the option to apply for the waiver either there or in your home country. Visa history. Applicants must not have any previous U.S. visa rejections. If a rejection has occurred, it must have been successfully addressed or officially waived. Eligibility. There should be no known or potential reasons that would render the applicant ineligible for a U.S. visa. Consular discretion. Despite meeting waiver criteria, the U.S. consular officer retains the authority to request an in-person interview at their discretion. As we conclude this video, we hope you found the information valuable and insightful. Remember, navigating the complexities of immigration and visas can be challenging, but with the right knowledge and guidance, you can overcome any obstacle. Whether you're planning to move to the USA, renewing your visa, or seeking information regarding USA visa and immigration, we're here to support you every step of the way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your immigration journey.